Today is Sunday and we just got back from Seattle yesterday evening and then went on over to his cousin's house for a birthday party. And I wanted to share you guys my beautiful flowers that I got from Pike's Place. It's so beautiful. I really love the color combination, and I walked through all the flower stalls to pick out the most beautiful one. And this was only 30 bucks. These are exactly the colors that I have for my wedding. I love it. It's so beautiful. I finally got my first bouquet of flowers from Pike's Place. The house is a mess right now, so I have lots of cleaning to do, but it's not gonna be my #1 priority today. No more, honey. I still can't eat that. Món nó sẽ bố mình nào. Món doesn't like it like that. Okay, all done. All done, no more. Thank you. Cái này lúc đó tôi sẽ xem con này. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I literally just woke up like 20 minutes ago. I just got done washing my face and brushing my teeth, and we are going to be going strawberry picking today, so I want to get the house clean before we leave. I'm going to speed clean through the kitchen. I'm going to make sure I do all the dishes, get the kitchen tidy up, and then do the living room afterwards. And then hopefully I have a little bit of time to put some makeup on for the day.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
Hi. Đã mong tôi đây strawberry, chỉ mua strawberry nữa. Đây tôi mấy ai được bấy giờ. Nhá. Thế mấy ai đi chơi con rể nó có no sao? Cho nó một cái thôi chỉ sợ họ no ha. Tôi hay nhắn ngờ say. Đi chỉ mua cái one day nó cho cái tay tay. Có từ từ cái này nè. Tôi sẽ cho cái chín mua mà chả. Rồi sao? Chín mua chả. Phải á? Phải pipi không? Shrek. Pipi. Phải. Đi mua. Bye bye, okay? Bye bye. I don't know if you guys can hear me because the water's kind of loud,
But we have a little small fish hatchery here in town. This is Mavis's first time coming here, so we just figured we'd bring her by to check out the fishes. I've been waiting to bring her here. Wow! Then Jay naman may Jay fish. Wow, don't cherry. These ones are a little bit bigger than the ones on the other side. They're all over here. It's kind of scary how many fishes are in here. I can't imagine being in there and just feeling them swimming around you. It's kind of creepy. We're letting her burn her energy. She's got so much energy to burn. Brown trout? Go, Daddy. June 27th, and we're on a camping trip with my family. We came last night already, but we didn't get here until almost 10 o'clock. We'll be heading home later on today. My parents will be here a little bit later. My whole entire family is here, so I'm very excited. I slept pretty good last night. It did get a little bit windy, but it wasn't too bad compared to last year. I'm so exhausted. I just literally woke up like 20 minutes ago, so I just wanted to take a few minutes to myself to just enjoy this camping trip. I haven't been here. Oh, look, Elliot, there's a deer up there.
Where?
Up there. You see it walking? Daniel, there's a deer.
Oh, it's a buck too.
There's a deer. There's a deer right there. You see it?
Yeah,
Oh.
I think it's eating.
Yeah, it is eating.
Go closer.
Oh, we can't go closer, honey. You can't go up
What's
this.
this?
It's a microphone. See, look, it's jumping. Look, it's going. Whoa. You see it? Wow.
I think it's like it has the horn.
Mavis did so well last night sleeping.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday.
I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me because it's pretty windy, but oh my gosh, camping with a baby is so much work. So hard, honey. So hard.
The water guy. That was the track.
Look, baka.
Yeah.
Kena baka. Kala.
Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars.
We're finally going home. I'm exhausted and I'm kind of sad I didn't vlog as much as I actually wanted to, because it's just really hard to vlog with children. So I didn't really get much of this trip, but I got what I can, and we'll just take that for the memories. And hopefully next year we'll be able to stay longer, but my girls are exhausted, I'm tired, and it's 7 right now, so we won't be home until close to 9. But it was still really fun, just really hard to do anything with young children. But other than that, Mavis had a lot of fun with her cousins, and it was just nice to have her out and about. And we'll do this again next week with his family.
Pack our bags and get in that car.